Hello everyone, this is Usha. Welcome to my channel Easy Learn. I'm a math teacher having 8 plus years of experience in teaching high school math. As we know, at present situation we have to learn through online classes. So I like to help you all in learning math in an easy way. Do you know why we have to learn math and what is the importance of math? So let us learn the importance of math in our life. First, importance of mathematics in banking sector. For every cash transactions like deposit withdrawals, we need to know calculating cash denominations like 100 rupees into 5 equal to 500 rupees. It may be deposit or withdrawal. Here we use fundamental operations of mathematics. Calculation of interest on fixed deposits. For example, here a person deposited 1 lakh at the rate of interest 7.5%. So after 5 years the maturity amount he get is 1,45,000. Here we use the concept of simple interest. Importance of mathematics in shopping. Shopping for the buying something. When you buy something, you pay money and receive the change. It is important to know that you have received the correct change. Here we use the fundamental operations of mathematics. Percentage of discounts and tax on the product. It is important to know how to calculate the percentage of discounts and tax on the products purchased. Importance of mathematics in business management. Mathematics play a major role in business management because it helps to maximize profit by using different techniques such as analyzing production costs, determination of pricing, sales forecasting. To run smooth business, it is important to know commercial mathematics. Income statement of an year equal to revenue minus expenses, that is equal to profit or loss. Importance of mathematics in science and technology. Calculating the speed of light from sun to earth. Speed of light equal to 2,99,792 km per second. Calculating the distance between the planets. Here we use the concept of speed, distance and time. In medicine, for production of tablets, capsules, liquid syrups, we use ratio and proportions based on dosage amount like mg, milligrams. In computer science, algorithms are the fundamental part of computer science. Computer languages like C, C++, Java and etc. to build a software. Next, importance of mathematics in construction. Construction engineering in construction of roads and bridges. We use geometry to construct roads and bridges. Construction engineering of buildings and houses. We use the concept of area, perimeter, angles, shapes, slope and etc. of geometry in construction of buildings and houses. Mathematics in our daily life. Preparation of food. To prepare a good recipe, we need to take proper ratio of ingredients. Here we use the concept of ratio and proportion. Calculation of time. Time is most precious in our life. So for calculating time also we should know math like numbers and angles. Calculating distance to travel. For example, traveling from Mumbai to New Delhi, of a distance 1400 kilometers, it takes 23 hours 31 minutes. So here we use the concept of distance, speed and time. By seeing all the above examples, we can say that math is all around us. Math is used everywhere. So let's learn math in an easy way to simplify our daily life. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get regular updates of my classes.